Okay, so one of the parts that I ordered was this shorter antenna, because like you can see, this thing is kind of a major one, so... Well, it's not major, but it's a visibility thing, so if you want to tune a car, this is like one easy way to make a difference. So I think this is something like $20 or something like that, so the old one is easy to take out. And then what we basically only need to do is to grab the antenna and just screw it on. I think the quality on this Talk one is rather good looking. Hopefully it will also work, so I'm gonna have to try it out, but just go here like plug and play. So what a major difference. Not sure if you can see it correctly, but that's a huge difference, to, at least to my eye. And it doesn't, I don't think it will break that easily also, so if somebody goes and just taps it, I think this is a much more solid. So this is for the 10% minor modifications, so good investment, looking good. Oh yeah, and I also forgot. Let's try the radio also.
Mutta siis ylipäänsä en ole...
Seems like it's working.
Nämä tyttäret on vähän silleen niinku about time.
Radio's working.
Not all the... Ja tän kirjan ei katsota.
Not actually all the stations are tuned in correctly now, but that's also working fine, so good upgrade.